going to be showing you how to remove a dishwasher, and one of the first things we're going to be doing is cutting the power to the dishwasher. And just to show you here some basic tools that you need for doing this job. So next we'll go to the breaker panel. I'm going to turn the power off over here on the panel for the dishwasher, and mine has it labeled here. Most people will have theirs labeled. If not, trial and error, you'll find which one it is. Now I'm going to turn the water off on the shutoff valve that's underneath the cabinet here. Now I'm going to remove the access panel. First, remove the screws. The one screw I've removed already. I'll remove this one here. Now I'm going to verify that the power is off. I'm going to open up this junction box here and test the wire. Okay, I'm going to be testing these wires here. I have a simple wire tester that I use. I'm going to remove the wire connectors. And test, just make sure the power is off. And it doesn't light up, so I'm good to go. Now I'll just pull the wires apart here, and here's my ground. Pull that apart, and then we just need to pull this wire out of here. In some units they come with a wall plug like this. Then you would just unplug it at the wall after your breaker is off. Now I'm going to remove the water line that's hooked up to the dishwasher. So I have a little container here to catch the water and towels ready here in case I need to wipe up some water. So we'll go underneath the dishwasher here now. Going to remove the drain line hose here as well under the cabinet, and once that's off, that can be pulled through the cabinet there when you pull the dishwasher out. Now I'm going to remove the screws on top here that hold the dishwasher to the counter, and then the dishwasher should slide out.